a video demonstration on the Dektak 150. This system runs Windows XP. It's using Dektak software version 9. So once the computer boots up, you would make sure this is powered on. You have on off and an emergency stop. Then you would select this icon here, and the unit will initialize. So today we're going to measure 3 samples. It's 88 nanometers, 7.858 microns, and 23.772 microns. I'm running the system without the environmental shield so you can see the operation. So your control icons are up top here. Once the stylus is lined up visually on top of the sample, you could come here and you would hit this, which brings the stylus down to the sample and nulls. So here you can see the step that's on the sample now. Now this stage here is manual X and Y. This is coarse. Coarse this way, and then you also have fine. Now it does have a motor, which they call the Y-axis, which is for the 3D mapping option, and it's used to map just a small area that you define in the program to set up, so it only steps in the Y direction. So here's the icon here, and this is where you set up your scan parameters. You can go in here and select what parameters you want to have the software calculate for you. This is where you return to the vision screen so you can set up your scan. This would be running a current active scan. What we can do is we'll go here. The program's already picked for the 7.8 micron standard, and I'll just go here to run and say scan here. So here's your scan. So now you can take these cursors here and you can set them wherever you want. You can also make them as wide or as narrow as you need. This basically acts as a filter. If you had a scan with a lot of noise here, it would filter, it would average out the measurement between the filter. So we're going to level the scan first. And then, as you can see here, the scan it's reading in nanometers right now, but we can also change that. If you go up here to set up configuration, the password is Dektak32. Enter. This is where you can go in and change your units. And the sample that we are measuring is negative 7.858, and we're 835, so it's measuring within spec. So we'll go back to the video screen. We'll raise the head up. And then we'll go pick the other programs I've set up. So we'll do the 88 nanometer next. And we'll go to run and scan here. So this is what I was talking about when there's a little noise on top of the sample. Level. Go up to setup again. And our sample's 88 nanometers, and you're reading 82. So the last measurement we'll do is the 23 microns. So the 23 micron sample set up right now. Pick this program. I'll pick run and scan here. Again, we'll level it. So our standard was negative 23.772, and I'm reading negative 23.682. The last thing I'll show you is I set up a 3D scan earlier. And this was of the 7.8 micron sample. And you can bring it in here, and then you can, just have a 3D plot of your images. So that's the 3D option. The last thing I want to show you is on the stage. The way the stage is set up, as I explained earlier, it's for the 3D option you use the motorized Y. That's how it's indicated in the book. And you have the manual in your course. But if you see here, let me just set this here. The stage will have full travel left to right. In order to do measurements on the front, you have to rotate the theta. It's just the way the particular stage has been set up. So as you see here, I can get the measurements in the back. But you only have that much travel to the forward part of the stage. I just wanted to make note of that. So this completes the video demonstration of the Dektak 150.